The football field to a New Jersey courtroom. Today, some members of the Sayreville football team made their first court appearance. CBS 2's Christine Sloan reports.
Sources say this sheriff's van took away some of the Sayreville high school football players still in custody and charged with sexual assault from the Middlesex County Family Court. This after the prosecutor confirmed to CBS 2 News that some of the defendants in this alleged hazing scandal made a brief court appearance. But because they are juveniles, that's about all he would tell us, and they won't be identifying them either. In fact, the media was not allowed inside the courtroom or given any details on what happened.
When you look at this case in this town, a football town, what we find here is likely going on in other places around the country at the college and university as well as high school levels.
7 football players from the high school were charged Friday with sexually assaulting and violating 4 younger teammates in their locker room during several alleged hazing rituals. The allegations are so disturbing they are too graphic to describe. This man, believed to be an attorney representing one of the suspects, did not want to comment, but 3 of the players face serious charges of aggravated sexual assault. And if the prosecutor pushes to have them charged as adults, they could face up to 20 years in prison if found guilty. Legal expert Ricky Kleiman.
I think they will. First of all, Middlesex County, which is where this took place, goes forward to look for what they call waiver into adult status. 20% of the time. The state average is 12%. Well, if there was a case that is screaming out for it, it's this one.
Sources tell me right now there are no plans to charge the suspects as adults. Kleiman says there could be a reason the prosecutor decides to keep them in the juvenile system.
The juveniles will say through their lawyers, look, I didn't know this was a crime. This happened to me when I was a freshman. I didn't think I was doing anything bad. I was a victim of hazing, so I went forward the same way.
Even as juveniles, some of the defendants could face up to 5 years in prison if found guilty. All 7 have been suspended from school, and authorities here at the courthouse say they won't be releasing any kind of information while these teenagers are in the juvenile system. In New Brunswick, New Jersey, Christine Sloan, CBS 2 News.
And school officials won't say if the coaches on the team will keep their jobs. So far, the superintendent says there's no evidence that they were aware of the alleged sexual abuse.